Alright, in this video we're going to put together the parts that we've made for the air skimmer. So we've got the main body panel, the two fins, and then the front scoop that we will be assembling. So when I go to OnShape, right now I'm looking at the main body panel, and what I'll do is go ahead and make an assembly. So down toward the bottom, just select assembly. And at this point you'll need to go to insert, and you can see I've got the main body panel that kind of comes up already as part 1, and I'll use that. If you don't see anything populate there, just go click on other documents, and you can find different parts here in your recently opened menu here. So then I could find just kind of a variety of things here. I'll go back to my current document, click on part 1. You may be prompted to create a version at this point, and if it prompts you to do that, just click on create version, and then you can use it once it populates. Okay, I just need one of these, so I'm going to click the green check mark. Now I'm going to go back to insert and use other documents, and I want to go ahead and bring my air scoop into this. So it says that create a version, so I'll go ahead and do that. I think that'll be okay. I had made a drawing file of it earlier, so it's given me some messages. It looks like it'll be fine. So I just need one of these, so I'll go ahead and place that onto my workspace. Click the green check mark, and let's go ahead and insert the fins next. Go into the recently opened documents here and find your fins. Now this one we'll need to place 2 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and place 2 fins into the assembly and click the green check mark. Okay, now we can start to move and fasten these in place. So first, you notice the fins are facing the wrong way, so we're going to start with the fins. When I click on the fin, I get some different options where I can rotate these. So I want to go ahead and use this one and rotate it. And you can either just drag it around 180 degrees, or if you let go and you type 180 and press return, it sets it right there. Now you can hit escape and move on to the next part. You hit escape there, click out here. You might have to click out in this environment, and then you can end that command and select the next part. And rotate the next fin 180 degrees right there. And let's go ahead and connect the fins to the main body panel. And if we look at our instructions, they should go on the outside and at the back of our main body panel. So that's where we're going to put them. So for this, I'm going to use a fastened mate, and if you notice, there's all these different options. And so for this one, I want to use the fastened mate, and you need to be careful on these. So as you zoom in, you can get this little circle to pop up with your different planes. And so pay attention to the red, green, and blue indicators. And I'm going to select this bottom corner, just like that. Now I need to rotate the cube a little bit so I can see the corner that I want to fasten it to, which is going to be right there. And make sure the circle is in the same orientation. Click the green check mark to solve it. And now, if I hit escape to end the fastening command, I can move this. It's all locked together. It's fastened together, so that's what I want. And we'll do that with the next fin. So I'll click the fasten mate again. Select this bottom. You may have to zoom in. I'm rolling the mouse wheel to zoom in or to zoom out. Select that bottom corner, and then I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to rotate the cube by clicking the corner and go in, and again, you've got to get the mouse in just the right place so that you have the corner, just like that. Select it, click the green check mark to solve, and now let's zoom out. I'm going to hit escape again to end that fastening command, and then I should be able to drag this around, and it looks like it's working just fine. Next, I'm going to work on the front scoop. So let's kind of rotate the cube. This is upside down, so I need to select it and then rotate it 180 degrees. Click outside so it ends that. And then I need to connect like this top corner to the inside corner of the main body panel. Alright, so with this, I'm going to use a slider mate. So if I click this, and then I select, and you've got to be careful here, select this corner. I don't want the whole edge, I want just the corner. Now rotate the cube. So you can see this corner that you want to connect it to. And now it's where we want it. So click the green check mark, hit escape to end your fastening command, and you should be able to slide it up because it's a slider mate. So I can slide it along that surface. And I want to get it right up there close to the front where it needs to be. From here, you can notice these two surfaces, if I slide this back, being this is at an angle, a slight angle, those two surfaces cannot be flushed together because it will tilt the back of this main scoop up and it'll go right through the main body. So we don't want that. You can work with this and connect these using a fastened mate of some kind to get sort of the this corner so that it is connected to this edge right in here. And you can try a number of different solutions, but if you don't quite get the thing that you want, notice what happens. See, this tries to, let me just go ahead and click that we want that. Notice how this is flush now. And notice what it did. It tilted the scoop right up through our main body panel, and we don't want that. So what I want to do is just hit undo. But if you do work with this a little bit more, just make sure that you get the correct orientation so that this can connect properly. All right, so I think that's probably enough to go on for now. I hope you find that helpful, and it'll get your air skimmer assembled. So, all right, thanks for watching.